So with business credit, you don't need cash flow, you don't need collateral, you don't need credit. You can actually get funding using just your business credit profile. And then look, like I mentioned, I don't have nothing to sell y'all. I'm not selling y'all nothing on here. I just want to give y'all some free information. But I'm only talking about this stuff because I have companies that do it all. Except the collateral. I have partners that do the collateral and the cash flow. I have partners that do that. But the business credit, y'all, if y'all don't have credit, y'all can still get hundreds of thousands of dollars in just the business name without using your personal credit. I know y'all probably heard that all over the internet before, and if y'all didn't, I'm here to tell y'all it works 100%. The light that y'all see shining on me, the stuff in the background, that's all bought with business credit. I'm one of the people that practice what I preach. I go out and I get funding and I get business credit and I use that business credit for everything. I'm not using my personal money for nothing. I use the bank's money because, like people say, I wish I could get paid for paying my bills. I wish I get paid for buying groceries. You can. I get paid for buying groceries. I get paid to go eat out at restaurants. I get paid for all of that stuff. I use a certain card. I use like an Amex Gold card and I get points back for that. The points turn into travel, turn into money. All of that stuff. You can get paid for using your credit cards. Having good credit pays. So if you got bad credit, just stop playing around and go build your personal credit profile.